Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard. Now, that's me trying out the Creel cam. I've come back through the for me and Phil was fishing out last day in a broch harbour. And I've come through in the dark to try out this Creel that Jason made for my camera. Oh, that's a bite in my road, look. Aye. There's a bite in the road here and we just heard the bells rattling. Oh, that's it again. Switch your car off, see if you can hear it. It's a fair breeze of wind. It's really cold just now. But I've got a car here right at a bit, so I can fire it up and put the heater on. As I was saying, I've got my waterwolf underwater camera inside the Creel, and I've tied up the on in a position that I'm hoping is the best position for seeing anything that comes in through the eye of the Creel. I've got two underwater torches and just cheap things. I got online, can work at the wheel last time. Now, while that's in, I'm hoping to leave it in for an hour, maybe 2 hours, see how long I can last out. Because the camera does record for about 3.5 hours. So, well, actually I should have timed it. I'll have to look at the time. It's 5 to 6. We'll say 6 o'clock just now. So we'll time it for that, 7, 8. I'll try and keep it in for about 8 o'clock. Now, while that's in, I shot one rod just up into the harbour. And I've got the bails on and a wee lichty on top of it. There's just 2 hooks on it, just for a bit of fun, just to shove in a time while the Creel camera's doing its work. And a couple of good rattles there I know. But I'm assuming it's probably collie again, small collie, like we was getting the last time. It's just fine just watching the licht, the wee lichty on the pint of the road and listening to the bells. And you're never sure, you maybe get something in the dark, something more substantial. Right, my camera got out with a bleep. Said something about it can't record for the with the SD card that's in it, but it's the same SD card that I've been using all this time. So, and again, if it's just a glitch, or I hope it's going to be alright, because I don't care much about these things. I'll just switch them on and go. Right, I'll maybe go on haul this road, see if I've got a buttock or something. Well, a bait's been scoffed. I'm assuming it's smart coolie, because it is like fish bait, so there's a couple of good big rattles. I'll just keep baiting it up and I'll maybe hook onto one yet. Now I'm hoping you can hear me on air, because I haven't got my microphones with me today. I forgot to take them. Here's hoping you can hear me on this camera with just a camera microphone. Right, I'll beat it up and show it away again. The hooks are size 2.0 and a couple of pop-up floats. En a wee 12-ounce gripper weegt. This is luxury fishing. It's fine to be able to just sit in the car with the heater on in comfort. I dinna care if I'm seeing things, or if there's something swimming round about the top of the creel, or something dark going round about the creel. You can't make it out recht. I mean, it's maybe a hevel. Hopefully it goes on. But I am seeing shadows. You can't see me. It's awful dark here. There's just the one light up here. I am seeing shadows over the top of the creel for the lights is shining. You want to be able to see us in the camera. So hopefully the camera is going to pick something up. I don't know if you'll hear this. There's a seal howling away here. Over the back. Let's see, it's actually stopped now. I hope you pick that up in the camera. Sounds like a ghost. Whoa, it's Baltic. I'm back in the car and I've fired up the car. Trying to warm it up so I can get the heater on. I've lost a rig. And I've stuck on another rig on that road. It's a 4-hook flapper type rig. With size 1/0 this time. So we'll see if we'll get anything on that. But I mean, this is just a shove in at a time. As I was saying, Creel come to work. So hopefully we'll get a bit of action down there. I did think I'd seen something going over the top of Creel and run about it. And actually, at the time I was watching that, the rope moved about like that. There's a bridle in the top of Creel. And I just wondered if something catched the hood, the bridle. It was maybe a seal, and I look here on about. Or it could have been a havel, I don't know. Hopefully if it's a havel it'll nip in and have a looky. And we'll capture it in camera. I'm here to keep the camera, my GoPro camera, inside the car, because it was out there for about quarter an hour. It's not liking it. It just wouldn't switch on again. So I don't think this thing's like a cold weather. I'll just keep it in the car and just nip out with it if I need it. Well, henna blanked. A wee buddock. Give my case and get him back. Well, that's another one. Wee spinner. Another buddock. Then I can we'll see it. Guess I'm getting back. at this sausage. Oh man. Well, it's a Creel halt and nothing in it. At least it'll give us an idea if the camera was pointing in the right direction and stuff like that, Ken. Because it's the first time trying a camera out in that Creel, so I might adjust the angle of the camera the next time or whatever, but I'll let my key in anyway. I'm not sure, the cameras maybe pick something up. As I say, it'll give us an idea if a camera's sitting at the right angle in it, and if it was clear enough, Ken. The water did look clear enough. If a camera has picked anything up, you lads will be the first thing to see it before me. That's it for now anyway. Take care of die, and I'll catch you after.